Welcome back once again, guys. Today I'm sharing this super glam gorgeous bridal makeup look. So I have never posted this kind of makeup look before today, so I'm super duper excited. So let's get started. So at first I am using the Sugar Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer. It has luminous particles which hydrates your skin. You don't need any strobe cream. See, I'm using it also on my neck. Then after that I am using the Color Bar silicone base primer. If you want a matte base primer or gel base primer, definitely you can use it. It will close your pores or mattifying your skin. So after that, for covering dark circle, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade orange. You know, this is very good concealer for hyperpigmentation or dark circle. At first I am using the brush, then I am using the finger for blending the edges of my position. So for neutralizing this orange tone, I am using a concealer. This is Swiss Beauty concealer. I am blending it with the Real Technique foundation brush. Then I am using the beauty blender. So this is little bit lighter than my skin tone, so I have to balance it. For foundation, I am using Milani foundation and the Just Gold foundation. I have mixed these two foundation. What I can say about the Just Gold foundation, this is truly highly performance brand. So also makeup artists are use it. So now for under eye setting, I am using the loose powder. Then I'm using a Juvia's Place Mustard Quad eyeshadow palette. For the lower lash line, I'm using the dark brown eyeshadow for lower lash line. Then I'm using the Morphe face palette for bronzing my face. See, it has two bronzing shade, but I have applied the lighter one. So for shaping or shadow on my faces, I have sculpt faces, but I need this, so I'm using it. So for eye makeup, I have done my eye base. Then I'm using the blush from the same Morphe palette. See, now for golden eyeshadow, I'm using the Maybelline mini eyeshadow palette. Today I will use another process for eye makeup. And the right side will be another process and the left side will be another process. So definitely you can check that. At first I have done my outer corner, then golden eyeshadow, then I am using the transition color. And for little bit depth, I am using a little small brush for taking dark brown eyeshadow for creating a cut crease kind of look. So in the other eyes, I am using at first transition color, then I am taking the dark brown color for my outer corner, then I am blending it with my crease line. See, I am creating a dark crease with my transition color. Then I am taking the same flat brush and taking the golden eyeshadow. I am using a cut crease eye look without any doing cut crease with any concealer. See, can you see any difference between them? So more darkness, I am using a little bit more dark brown color for every eye. This is a palette from, I think, Maybelline eyeshadow palette. Yes. So see how gorgeous eye is that. Now for shimmer or glitter, whatever you can say, I am using the Lead Glitter Cosmetics product. So this is the golden shade. I will mention the shade name. At first I am using the Makeup Studio glitter glue, then I am using the golden glitter. See how chunky and subtle is that. This eye look is my favorite eye look, and this is now trend for any girl or anything. You can say Bollywood celebrities also doing this kind of eye look, very neutral and subtle. Now for enhancing my lower lash line, I am using a brown kajal which is from Forever 52. Then I am blending it with the dark brown color eyeshadow, then the bronzer which I have used as a transition color. This is one of my favorite eye look. How subtle is that? Now for waterline and to showing eye bigger, I am using a beige color eye pencil which is from PAC. And from liquid liner, I am using the Color Bar liquid eyeliner. Today I am not using any wing or anything. I don't want to do that. Just simple eye look. And I am blending the edges with my dark brown color which I have used for my outer corner. For setting my entire face, I am using the PAC Micro Makeup Fixer. And then after some time I am using a highlighter for enhancing my makeup beauty of my makeup. Somewhere I'm using brush, somewhere I'm using the finger. The highlighter is from also the Morphe palette. See, I'm highlighting my brow bone, and then I'm using the mascara. Mascara is from Smashbox, and this is one of my favorite mascara. I'm using it for my upper lash line, for my lower lash line. Then I'm using the fake lashes in offline. If you want separate video, then definitely you can comment. So now for enhancing little bit more blush, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics blush. You know, I have used it lots of time for little bit sheer cover. Now for lip liner, I'm using the Mars Cosmetic lip liner in the shade 04. And for lipstick, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the center of my lips. So I'm blending it with my finger at last. And for a little bit enhancing the face, I'm again using PSC Baked highlighter in the shade 02 for a little bit subtle glow or anything you can say. Now I am applying the highlighter to my inner corner, and this is the full face makeup. So you can create this kind of makeup look for any traditional Muslim bride or traditional non-Bengali bridal look. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment section. So thank you for watching my videos, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you all.